I'm Jasmine and I work for the Inland Empire Resource Conservation District, or IERCD for short. We partnered with the City of San Bernardino Municipal Water Department to bring you a series of virtual lessons on water education and conservation. For our fourth lesson, I'm going to show you a fun summer science activity. Today, we're going to observe water evaporate in sunlight and in shade. Please remember to be mindful of social distancing while you're doing this activity outdoors. Okay, let's go outside. You will need water and most of all, sunlight. First, have a discussion about evaporation. Talk about what happens after it rains. Have the children hypothesize, where does the water go? Now, use a little bit of water and make 2 handprints, one in full sun and one in shade. And let's see what happens. Your little scientists might want to know what's happening in this activity. As the water gets heated by the sun, it goes from its liquid state into its gas state through the process of evaporation. Evaporation is the primary pathway that water moves from its liquid state back into the water cycle as water vapor in the atmosphere. Now that you know what's happening in this activity, try it for yourself and teach your friends and family. Visit the City of San Bernardino Municipal Water Department's website to access this video, resource links, and an activity write-up in English and in Spanish. Tell us how you like this lesson in the comments below, and tag us in any photos or videos of you doing this activity. Thank you from the City of San Bernardino Municipal Water Department and everyone at IERCD. We appreciate you watching. Take care.